And the race is on. Through Money fast to begin, moving up by the rallies. Mr. Tatler. Down on the inside is Angelus, and Blusher is the early trailer by about 4 to 5 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Mr. Tatler by about 2 lengths, followed by Angelus in second. True Money racing in third from the outside, and Blusher still running at the tail of the field. And rounding the far turn, Mr. Tatler by about 2 lengths, followed by Angelus by the row. True Money alongside third, and Blusher running in fourth. As they race the last 450, Mr. Tatler is still hanging to that 2 lengths lead, followed by Angelus by the row. True Money is racing on the outside, taking the second spot, and Blusher still running at the tail of the field. Last 150, Mr. Tatler, the horse of Mr. Hermes Guerra, winning this race by about 6 over True Money, Blusher, and Angelus. Comes last.
Okay, 2, 4, 3, 1 ang ating unofficial order of arrival.